Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn how verb 1 and verb 5 are used in simple present tense. So, let's begin how they are used in different sentences. First, we have the groups. So, I want to know who are the group leaders from different groups. Dear students, I want to know who is the group leader in group A? Kanchan Guru. Who is the group leader in group B? Nisa Magar. Thank you, sit down. Who is the group leader? Trisila Karel. Thank you, sit down. And in this group D, who is the group leader? Himal Tiwari. Thank you. Now in the beginning, we are going to know what is a verb. Then, who knows the meaning of verb? Yes. It is Nisa Magar. Please, Nisa Magar, stand up. What do you understand by a verb?
A word is an action word like eat, go, drink, come, hide, etc.
Thank you. And from this side, who knows the meaning of verb?
Sir, I know.
Okay. Please, Himal Tiwari. What do you mean by a verb?
A verb is a kind of word that tells about a action or a state.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, students. Just we have told two different but little bit similar definition that from this side, Nisa has told a verb is an action word. With examples he has told, and this side Himal Tiwari has told that is a word in a sentence that gives some states or action. Thank you for both students. Now students, please think this side, group A and group B, the examples of verb 1 and group C and D, please discuss and find out the examples of verb 5, what they can be.
Ride, play, go, do, sleep, play.
What do you example of I think do, read, come. Goes, gates, drums. What can be example of verb?
I think the verbs which are with es and s like eats, goes, etc.
Students, now I need to know some example of verb 1 from you. Now, from group A, who is going to say the example of verb 1? Give it.
And three example of verb one is who, go, read.
Cook,
Go,
go,
read.
read. Thank you. Now, group B, who will tell two examples of verb 1?
And two example of verb 1 are come, do, etc.
Come and do. Thank you. Now, students, I am asking to group C, what can be some three examples of verb 5? Now, who is going to say the example of verb 5 from this group C?
The three examples of verb 5 are wants, always, loves, etc.
Okay, thank you, students. Wants, loves, and goes. Now, group D. Please say two examples of verb 5.
So, two examples of verb 5 are eats, drinks.
So the two examples are drinks and what? Eats. Thank you. Now, students, we have to find out the examples of the sentences where verb 1 and verb 5 are used. You should find out them in internet. So, group A will give one example where verb 1 is used and group B will give one sentence with the example of verb 1, and then group C will give a sentence where verb 5 is used, and group D will give a sentence where verb 5 is.
We speak like.
Okay, it's we speak. We speak a lie. Thank you.
They dance like idiot.
Okay, from group B, the example is that they dance like idiots. Thank you. Now group C, your turn.
The earth goes round the sun.
The earth goes round the sun. Thank you. Now group D, your turn.
She wants to be a doctor.
She wants to be a doctor. Thank you. Now, Rosni, please, will you tell me what are the verbs in both sentences?
In we speak a lie, speak is verb, and they dance like idiots, dance is verb.
Okay, we speak a lie here, speak in the verb, and they dance like idiots, dance in the verb. Now, I'm asking to Nisa Magar, what can be the examples of verb in both sentences?
In the sentence, the earth goes round the sun, goes is verb, and she wants to be a doctor, wants is verb.
Yes, in sentence, the earth goes round the sun, goes is the verb, and in she wants to be a doctor, wants is the verb, and you are right. Can you sit down? Students, now we have to make sentences using the verbs. So, from this side, I need two students who can make the sentences right in board. And discuss yourself who will tell the answer and who will write in board.
Cooked food yesterday.
It's what we
You go to school. I go to school. They come from Kathmandu. I do homework every day.
Now, I need some sentences where verb verbs are used. So, from this side, who are able to give some examples with the sentences of using these verbs?
I saw he wants to be a dentist.
1
you.